Welcome to Stacks. Today we are going to see a daily cleaning process by flow. I picked the lead object, the particular status, which is a closed not converted leads. I'm going to delete every day or a particular time. So for that I'm going to go for a flow. Basically we can do this job by a schedule flow, which is the latest one, and a similar thing we can do in auto launch flow also, who many people are very familiar with auto launch flow. That's why I'm going to pick today auto launch flow. In that auto launch flow we are going to set the time, but around currently the time is 1:15, so I'm going to set the time around 1:30, and I'm going to pick that schedule job flow run for the batch records. So automatically we can delete multiple records in the same time with a particular condition. So I picked the time 1:30. um, that's a daily process, so I pick the daily, and the object is a lead object, and I'm going to pick all lead without any condition. So on the delete component I'm going to put that filter condition, which is the particular status. So grab the delete component. Yeah, this kind of techniques we can solve many problem using these techniques. I already prepare that names, so I just copy and paste. Pick the lead object. The condition is the status equal to that particular not converted leads, closed and not converted leads. So connect these two components. So once we set the timing and activate, um, so time already just we finished this job within 5 minutes, so I'm going to put the time back like 1:21 and save the record. Save the flow, save the flow. Actually I have similar name of flow because I did a practice before I prepared this video, so I'm going to change that flow name, which is only the problem there. Once I save the record, I'm going to activate. After the activation we have to wait for the particular time, what time we set up. So still 1:20 only, so I'm going to change the time. Just next minute this flow will trigger. Currently 1:20, so next minute it will be automatically triggered by flow. When flow is triggered, those three records which we saw that initial stage, those records will be deleted by this auto launch flow. For that we are going to go back with the lead object. These are the three records. So once I refresh this page after 1:21, so everything gone. Yeah, so this is a very simple technique, but it's a powerful one. We can use many places. Thanks for watching. I will post similar kind of techniques from the flow. Thank you. Bye.